today we're gonna open my new toy. That kind soap dough. So when it's dry, it's a soap. When it's wet, it's a dough. There's a mold also, and I picked orange. Turn your dough into an orange soap. Oh,
Okay, Macy?
it's the picture in the back.
Okay.
So let's open it. No. Oh, naamoy ko. Ano kaya to? Ah, it's the package ng... Ah, wait. Natanggal yung mold sa package. Lalagay ko muna dito. Para maano mo na... So, I'm gonna play with this later. So, this is the mold. I put it back. So, it's like a mini backpack. And... Oh, wait. Dalawa!
Po.
Dalawa silang cute.
Okay. Ikaw combine mo yata yan. Read the instructions.
This is strong.
Ayan, sige.
Oh my God.
First, read it.
Wait. Number 1, mix the soap well. Add a bit of water if dry. Then option 2, mix soap dough well and add a bit water. Okay, it's the same one. Tip.
So, this is the one.
So,
The soap dough.
ba't
Soap
dalawa?
dough. Yan. Hindi ko po alam kung ba't siya dalawa. Siguro magkaiba ang ano niya, purpose niya. Baka kailangan mo silang i-mix.
Baka nga. Ito kasi na-mix. Oh, ito kasi nag-mix eh. So, we're gonna open this.
So, ito siya.
We're gonna open both of them na. Wait a minute. I think I want to use my teeth. Ayun, bukas. There. My teeth is stronger than my hands. You know that. So, it will...
So, okay na. You just show them later your finished product,
No.
okay?
No. We're gonna complete the whole thing.
Just show them later the finished product. Kasi magkukuha pa tayo ng water eh.
It says...
You have to mix it with water.
It says if it's a little dry, you have to add water. Tingnan natin kung dry. Let's touch it muna, guys. To check if it's dry or not. Kasi if it's dry, of course, you can't use it. Amoy mo. Amoy.
Smell orange yan, syempre. Orange scent yung pinili natin. A little. That one.
Ito.
Ito nga yung amoy. Orange.
Parang siyang ano tawag doon. Yung texture niya, akala mo shampoo.
Oh, sige, just show them later ha. Okay.
Bye!
So.